You are welcome back to the Fish Smokehouse. Today, we just came back from a fish farm. We just took some fish from a farmer. These are table size, hybrid, farm-raised catfish. In this bowl, I have 650 pieces with an average weight of 2 kg. And the total weight is 1,300 kilograms. They were sold to us at farm price at 3,100. So the total cost of fish inside this bowl is 4,030,000. Now let me tell you how this fish was achieved, this result. Now this is 7 months of hard work. It takes about 133 bags of fish food. When you are keeping fish for anything above 5, 6, 7, 8 months, your FCR, the feed conversion ratio, is always at around 1.54. That is, for every 1 ton of fish produced, you will need about 1,540 kilograms of fish food. Now, when you apply that FCR to this production, for that fish farmer to produce this fish, he used about 133 bags or 134 bags, and a bag is 15 kg in weight. That means he used nothing less than 2,000 kilograms of fish food for him to be able to produce 1,300 kg of this table size hybrid catfish, which will take nothing less than 7 months of feeding. Can you see? Now, your cost of production compared to the market price, the difference in your cost of production and the market price, I've already told you about the market price. I got them at 3,100 per kilo, and the total of everything is 4,030,000 naira. So if you look at the cost of 2,000 kilograms of fish food, which is equivalent to the cost of 133 bags of fish food, if you compare it to the market value of this fish, the difference minus miscellaneous expenses will be your cost of production. So anywhere you see farmers, just thank them for feeding the nation. You can even hug them and say thank you to them, because farmers, they go through a lot for them to be able to produce fish. Now you see this fish that I have here, under 1 hour, we are going to unalive everything. We are going to prepare them for the smokehouse. We are going to salt and dry them. And under 3 weeks, they will be ready for packaging. Under another 3 weeks, all these fish will be fully consumed. That is, we will distribute them to people, consumers who are consuming them, and it will be gone. That is, under two months, hard work of 7 months is gone. So it will take this farmer another cycle of 7 months for him to be able to produce this 1,300 kilograms of catfish that we have in this bowl. So wherever you see a farmer, when there is no farmer, there is no food. So when you see a fish farmer anywhere, just give them a thumbs up. So I will expect to see your thumbs up in the comment section. Thank you. Now you see this massive smoked catfish. The fresh weight of this fish was about 6 kilograms. Now this is the final result after drying for weeks, for a minimum of 3 weeks. You see, this is bone dry now, export standard dryness. At this level, this fish cannot go bad. It can stay for more than a year. Can you see? Now this is what happens to it. When we dry it up like this, we now manually, we break it up with the bone. We pick the fleshy part of the fish and we put them in jars like this. You see, in this jar, we have just the fleshy part of the fish, no bones, no skin, and no head. So this fleshy part is 1.5 kilogram. That is the weight of the content in this jar, and we sell it boneless catfish for 100,000 naira. That is the current price now, as I'm discussing with you. Now see this. Let me show you. This is how we break it, and our fish is always very dry. You can trust our dryness. Let me break this. See. This is how we get to pick the fleshy part of the fish. Can you see that? This is what we put in a jar for you. No bones. Can you see that? So this is the end result from all those stress that we go through. Can you see? Thank you.